Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Greatly appreciate it. Thanks for all the likes and support on the last couple videos. Someone left me a comment asking what's in my tool belt again, so I wanted to go over that. I haven't done it for a while, probably a few months, if I remember correctly. So basically, if you don't leave a comment down in the comment section, you're going to get whatever video I make, because I'm trying to do stuff for you guys, so if you want to see a specific type of video, a certain question answered, drop it down below because I'm literally out of video ideas. So if you want to see something special tomorrow, let me know. I can help you out. So anyways, tool belt video. The last time I was working, this is what is in my tool bag. Kind of the same stuff from last time, a little bit different. Just got the basic Phillips and straight blade. I don't even know what you call these things. Flat blade, Phillips screwdrivers. This is the glow-in-the-dark one. I got the strippers. These are the straight-handled. A little different than what I've been used to, but gotten used to them. They work just fine. And then I got the channel locks. These are my old ones, just because I wasn't really cutting anything. I was just using these. So anyways, I have a newer pair, but I just been using the old pair again. And I did take out the channel locks here, which I actually really wanted to show you guys. So I might have to clip that in at the end of the video. But I've been using that I got from work, the medium-sized channel locks with the push lock on them. And then I got my tape measure, of course, the 25-foot magnetic Milwaukee right there. And then I got the good old pipe reamer with the little flat blade screwdriver at the end. So that'll get you your 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch pipe reamer needs met. I think that's the wrong one. But anyways, then I got my Greenlee torpedo level. Love these. Dropped them from pretty high up, and they've survived so far. So good stuff, and I love the quality. Just great product. Just a razor blade, just kind of super basic and cheap. Pencil right here, just for marking stuff out. And then I got my little, I don't even know what this is called anymore. I haven't been at work in so long. Just basically my hot stick, my hot pen, just to make sure if the power's on or off. And I just got a few basic things in here. I got my little stubby screwdriver just in case. And I think I was also rolling around with a, just because I have a bad habit of leaving things in my pocket, I got the unit bit right here, the 1/2 inch size step bit. And then also, I haven't taken that out, and that's just a socket set, sorta, just for adding it into your drill. I got the wire nuts, and just another couple clips right here, from working with MC, just for strapping MC. Forgot the name of them, clamps. And I got my headphones in here. Not that I'm allowed to use those. I would never do that. I got safety glasses. Got some gloves here that I usually wear. I've been wearing recently again. Kind of go in periods of wearing gloves, not wearing gloves. And I got my Klein hammer, short, flat hammer. Just some more random tools. Got the wire nut twister here. Save some time. Save your hands and wrist. Got some hammer on MC clamps for beams. Got a bunch of little stuff in here, just the screwdriver tips and stuff for your drill. Got an extra Sharpie. Sorry, my nose is running right now. I just got out of the shower, so it's a little warm. And then I got my headlamp right there, MC splitter, Klein. And then my beater screwdriver, which the tip got smacked off, so I kind of had to regrind that out. Can't really use it as a screwdriver anymore, but just for beating on stuff. And I usually keep my good Sharpie up here, right here, if you can see that. And then basically just rest of parts in here and stuff that I carry around that I usually use. And last, I was using MC connectors, and that's about it. I usually keep my ground screws in here, and regular wood screws, and sheet metal screws in there, your little tech screws. So that about covers it up for all that's in my tool belt. That's what I've used recently, but for the most part, that's what I usually roll with. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Giveaway at 2,000, which is coming up really soon. And like I said, drop a comment if you got something you want to see. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. And have a great rest of your day. God bless. Don't forget to check out the description for anything else you need. And hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks, guys. Peace out.